The acquisition of the HQ-19 missile defense system would be a major shift in Pakistan's defense capabilities. As its first credible anti-ballistic missile shield, the HQ-19 can intercept medium and long-range missiles like India's Agni series at high altitudes, even outside the atmosphere. This strengthens Pakistan's nuclear deterrence by improving second strike survivability and protecting key infrastructure. It also counters India's growing missile and MIRV capabilities. Beyond defense, the HQ-19 highlights deeper military cooperation with China and adds balance to South Asia's strategic environment. With HQ-19, Pakistan enters a new era of missile defense, narrowing the technological gap with regional adversaries.